Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the powerful feature of release conditions in D2L. Release conditions will allow you to restrict who can access course materials, complete activities, view a grade item based on customized criteria. While release conditions are available within a number of different D2L tools, they work essentially the same way in every tool, although you may have to access them differently. It is important to note that while students cannot see release conditions, so they may not realize these materials are hidden from them, or they may think there's a technical problem. Therefore, it's crucial to inform your students about release conditions that exist in your course. Now, let's talk about some potential uses of release conditions. One, you can require students to visit a topic in a content tool before they post to a discussion board. Two, use a release condition to restrict a discussion board so that only members that have a low grade, maybe a high grade, can access it. Three, you can require students to submit an assignment before they take a quiz. Four, you can require that students receive a certain core on an assignment rubric before they can view the topic in content. And five, maybe you want to restrict an announcement so only that students who failed a quiz can view it. Understanding how release conditions can greatly enhance your course organization and ensure that students are accessing materials in a structured and meaningful way. So let's dive in and explore how you can implement release conditions in your course. So first I want to demonstrate what we talked about there was creating a release condition so that the students have to visit a content topic before they can post into a discussion item. So in the content, here is my topic. And in the discussion, let's go set that up. So I've got my title for my discussion, and we're going to select Add Release Conditions. Select Create New. Under Condition Type, select that drop-down and find the Content area. So we want to make sure that the student visits that content topic. Go down, Individual, Getting that job. So now we're just going to go in and select Create, and you'll see that the student must visit that content topic, Getting the job, before they will be able to post in this discussion. So now let's go create another one. The next one I'm going to walk you through is creating a discussion board that only members with a low score, or even if you wanted high score, could access it. So in this case, we're going to create a low score discussion board just for offering a little bit of extra support. So what we're going to do is we have the title created, and again, under availability dates and conditions, we're going to select add release condition. This one might be a little bit more tricky. So depending on how you have your grade item, whether it be from where did the student get that low score? So did they get that low score on a grade item? Did they get that low score on an assignment? Did they get that low score on a quiz? So what you're going to do is select that condition type, and you're going to find where that item is. So here you could just say, hey, this is the grade was calculated, the grade value on that item, and then you're going to have to find that grade item. So in here, if I said, okay, the student received a grade and this is what it's listed with, then I'm going to select that. Now you're going to have to populate that criteria. So are you going to go less than or equal than a certain percentage? And say if you said, okay, if somebody got less than or equal to 50%, and then I'm going to select create. So now you'll get to see that if the student receives less than or equal to 50% on a grade item, and like I said, you can change that again. So if they got it on an assignment or if they got it specifically on a quiz, you're just going to have to go through those release conditions and find what that grade item is. So it's no different going through it with a quiz. And that's all you do to restrict an area for a low score, and it will be the same for a high score. In conclusion, the release conditions in D2L offer powerful tools to help you control access to course materials, activities, grade items based on that specific criteria. If you're new to using release conditions, I recommend exploring some of the various condition types in that drop-down menu to discover the range of possibilities available. Thanks for watching.